shrine, new shrine inside. Just new shrine. This is easy. Easy step. That's why people want to go down this way. And then to the right, that one you see the mountain, that one. The Golden Mountain. That water, the Golden Mountain over there. You see? Over the jungle. Yeah, you can see the mountain. Yeah. That one. Hard to see. Yeah, we
so
go.
The rocks come from there?
You know, sandstone. The sandstone come from there. And the rock from the other side over there. Close to the mountain as well. Yeah.
Why did they build it so far from there?